I backed in a pole and created this slight dent here. This is actually made of plastic, so I guess you could take the bumper off here and bolt there, take it up and try to push it out from the inside. Now before I do that, I'm going to try the heat gun, and this part here, maybe try to make it as flat as possible and call it a day instead of taking the bumper off. So that's what I'm going to do. So in order to push the plastic part, I'm going to wear my gloves and try to soften the plastic here. I want to melt it, but maybe it's just me, but it seems to be a little better already. So the edge was dented in, now it's even now. Just try to sort of squeeze it. Yeah, it certainly is. The dent is less pronounced. Maybe I'll just hit it with some bondo here and put some spray paint on it. So what I have here is bondo glazing and spot putty. Fills pinhole scratches, minor ones, and hairline cracks. So this is what I'm going to use by 3M. So I haven't used this for a long time. Seems like it's still flexible. Just fill it so it's even with the bumper. It's not going to be perfect, but it's a minor scratch, so what the heck. I'm not going to spend hundreds of dollars to fix the bumper. What do you think? You want to spend hundreds of dollars fixing the bumper? I think not. That's all. Let it dry and then come back and sand it and then spray supposedly the same kind of color. Let it dry and spray this on it. Toyota ID6 or 1D6, and then there's a clear coat with this too. I believe this is a silver Metallica, and how well it turns out is your skill. Mine is mediocre, so you might do better with the repair. Okay, thanks for watching.